Hi guys, if you are looking for an in-depth and honest plug-up review, you are in the right place. In this plug-up review, we are gonna run through exactly what is the plug-up, how does the plug-up work, how much can I make per day, pros and cons, and is it legit or it's a scam app to stay away from. This way you could decide if this app is worth joining. So if you are interested, keep watching and as always smash that like button. Obviously it helps the algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because on this channel we teach you strategies tactics on how to make money online. Now if you don't know what the plug app is, it's a CPA app. CPA stands for cost per action, and it means that you can get paid money every single time someone completes an action such as downloading an app, and you will then get paid a small amount of money every single time that happens. This also depends on where you are from. In some countries, you may find very few offers. It's actually a PPD app, pay per download. So, how does the plug app work? First of all, the plug app is available to download for free on the App Store. So, if you are an Android user, this is not for you. Now, the plug app is an app that provides you with these offers. As you can see, you can pick a promo on the app. So essentially, it's just an affiliate marketing platform that you can join to find offers that you can promote. So that you can make money. So you could choose an app to promote, post it on your social media or pretty much promote it anywhere else, and then when people download the app, you will get paid money and that will happen over and over again. The plug app has its own verification algorithm which tracks and verifies your links and your downloads to ensure they are real and to ensure that all plug coins are earned through hard work. So you can easily track how many people have downloaded the app. You can see per app as well. So you can promote multiple apps at the same time. So how to earn coins or how I can make money from this app? The main two ways to earn coins is by promoting apps and referring friends. You need to figure out what apps you are going to promote to potential downloads. The plug tends to always add and remove new apps regularly. For example, this app, which pays 15.9 plug coins per install depending on location and device the app was downloaded on. You will get paid the full amount of plug coins if the download you got is from the US and from an iOS user. And this one pays you 6 plug coins per install. If your audience is outside the US or uses Android, you won't get that much from this app. In the next videos on my channel, I'm gonna share with you the best CPA platform and the best affiliate programs that you can promote. So if you are interested, you can subscribe. And for referring friends, you can invite friends, and once they earn 1000 plug coins as your referral, you will receive a free 500 plug coin bonus which will be added to your account. By default, you can only have 3 invite codes, but there is an option to request more at the bottom. And by the way, 1000 plug coins equals $50. So 20 plug coins equal $1. I think it's too hard for your referrals to make this amount. Let me just go to here. As you can see, you are able to withdraw your plug coins and convert it to real money via PayPal. Cash out anytime with PayPal, receive fast payments, and view your account history with ease. Is it legit? Based on my research, I have not seen anyone complain about not being paid after requesting a withdrawal. But this is not enough. When recording my reviews, I always like to take a look at what others think of the app or service. On the App Store, the plug scores an average 4.3 out of 5, as you can see. Positive reviews praise the excellent service and the fact that the plug app helps to monetize the social media, like this one. On the negative side, reviewers complain about the long time it takes to get them accepted, like this one. When you try to get accepted from the plug app, it takes weeks for them to respond to their direct messages. And this one complains that it's difficult to work on this app. This is only for popular accounts and very hard to get accepted. I hate to give you negative feedbacks, but please do not download if you got the wrong idea. And though you would gain followers, views, money. This is disappointing. The plug app pros and cons. Pros. Actually, I only have the cons. Cons. PayPal is the only payment method. Some apps require purchase. It's not worldwide. Sometimes you may not find an offer, or you may find only a few, one or two. This depends on where you are from. Some applications are indecent and you may lose your audience. Your affiliate link looks like a scam. It's not an easy way to make money. I mean, people can buy from you anything, but they are not going to download apps from a link that looks spammy. So to conclude this plug app review, for most of us, it isn't worth the effort. A lot of people are promoting this app just because of the referral program. Not everyone does this, but most. The reality is that you are not going to be able to quit your day job and earn a fortune promoting these apps. Nope. You are not going to get rich collecting plug coins. The entire point of the app is to simply promote them while getting very small rewards in return. Yes, as you heard. I mean, you can sponsor your social media better than this app. So yeah, this is my honest review, and I'm sorry if I forget something in this review, but it's up to you to decide, are you gonna give this app a shot or not. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, you can leave a like on the video, that helps me out in YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you want to see more make money online videos, and bye bye.